We are pleased to present this apartment, located just 2 streets away from Playa del Cura beach, in an area with well-developed infrastructure. Pharmacies, supermarkets, restaurants, and other amenities are nearby. It's ideal both for vacation stays and year-round living. The apartment is located on the 3rd floor with a south-facing orientation. The total area of the apartment is 84 square meters. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a living room. The apartment is sold fully furnished and ready to move in. The price of the apartment is €137,900. If you're interested in this offer, please contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen. Now, I invite you to join the detailed tour of this apartment.